There is a saying by Henry Ford: the ability to know how to get information is more important than using the mind as a garage for facts. Hey friends, hope all of you are safe and doing good. My name is Vartika and I am an IT professional. I belong to a small place in UP, Lakhimpur Kheri. I like to read books and do public speaking by passion. So friends, your attitudes are more important than your intelligence. Today I will share my learnings about a common health issue and measures for its cure, and that is intelligence excusitis. Isn't it powerful? Intelligence excusitis. This is an interesting disease where a person rates him or herself low that he or she cannot take up more responsibilities because he or she is not intelligent. As per this excuse, we are underestimating our brain power and overestimating the other person's brain power, and we often do that in our lives. I really think that God has not made anyone junk. Everyone has something unique and special about himself or herself. It's just a matter of analyzing, doing some sort of self-analyzation or self-realization that we do not understand what is unique and special about us, and then our unlimited potential gets wasted in life. So coming back to this topic again, intelligence excusitis, based upon National Center for Biotechnology Information, that is NCBI, positive thinking will influence you in what you become, as well as negative thinking may influence you to be worse. When you think you cannot, or what you think you are not smart enough, it will make you be like that. But when you have positive thinking that you will be able to do it. It is a direct correlation between positive emotions based on these. So, how to cure this one? Here is some advice from the book The Magic of Thinking Big that will definitely help us to cure this intelligence excusitis. That is the very biggest problem in our, or I must say, biggest hurdle in our lives to grow. First one, as I already said, God has not made anyone junk. Don't sell yourself short. Everybody in this world is blessed with something unique and special about themselves. It's just a matter of self-realization. Second one, remind yourself every day that attitude is more important than intelligence. If your IQ is not that great, you can win the world by your attitude itself. And the last one, remember that the ability to think is of much greater value than the ability to memorize facts. Use your mind to create and develop ideas, to find new and better ways to do things. Practice positive attitudes at both work and home. Search for the reasons why you can, instead why you cannot. And last, one saying by Buddha, which I admire a lot personally: all that we are is a result of what we have thought. What we think, we become. That is really powerful. Thank you so much. Take care all. Bye-bye.